Back, and today I'm going to walk you through how to scan QR code in Athene network. There are two ways to do this. The simplest way is from the home page. Just tap on this scan, which is next to the gear icon. Now next you're going to grant the permission to Athene to take pictures or record video. So by choosing why using this app or only this time, and once you've done that, you scan the QR code, and the QR code should be in the box. And once you scan, you'll be able to, and that's it. Now let me show you how to see the QR code. Now let's say you're scanning because the person invited you. So what you want to do is that what the person who invites you to join Athene network should do on their phone is to tap on the friends icon at the bottom, and then this is the QR code they'll show. So make sure this QR code is in the center of your QR scanner when you're scanning your friends invitation code. So hope you found this video helpful.